Today, we will discuss Coolify and Portainer. Although they approach things differently, they both use Docker containers. They are deployed by Coolify and managed by Portainer. The goal of both systems is to increase accessibility to container management for a larger group of people, including developers who might not be very familiar with Docker. You can run both of them on your own servers because they are made to be self-hosted. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Coolify is a service created to make the self-hosting of applications easier. It streamlines the installation of applications, databases, and services on your own servers. Though it operates with Docker, its emphasis lies on the application deployment lifecycle rather than solely on container management. It concentrates on the entire procedure of deploying and operating applications. Coolify streamlines various tasks such as server setup, SSL certificate handling, and deploying applications from Git repositories. Portainer acts as an essential tool for managing containers, primarily operating as a graphical user interface or GUI for Docker's containers, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes. It offers an easy and intuitive method to engage with your container environment, allowing you to visually deploy, manage, and oversee containers. By concentrating on the administration of current container environments, Portainer stands out in offering oversight and management of active containers, images, volumes, and networks, thus removing the necessity of intricate command line engagements. All in all, Portainer is a tool for managing your Docker environment, while Coolify is a platform for deploying applications. You could use Coolify to deploy applications and Portainer to monitor the running containers.